In the dynamic world of startups, the journey doesn't end with inception. It's about growth, expansion, and sustainable success. Today, let's explore the essential considerations for upscaling a startup, a journey paved with strategic decisions and careful planning. First on the list is financial stability. Sufficient capital is the backbone, ensuring your startup can weather increased operational costs, marketing expenses, and unforeseen setbacks during the scaling process. Operational efficiency is the engine that drives your growth, streamlined processes, and scalable infrastructure, especially in technology, production, and distribution. Lay the foundation for handling increased demand with grace. Understanding your market is paramount. Thorough market research identifies new opportunities, customer needs, and potential challenges, providing the compass for strategic scaling in your industry. A skilled and capable workforce is your greatest asset. A well-thought-out recruitment plan ensures you have the right people in place to handle increased responsibilities, fostering a culture of growth and innovation. In the realm of marketing and branding, scalability is key. Develop plans that can expand without losing effectiveness. Whether it's digital marketing, content strategies, or influencer partnerships, maintain brand positioning to ensure consistency as you grow. Enhanced customer support is the bridge between your business and its audience. Preparing to scale up customer service ensures you can handle increased inquiries and, most importantly, guarantee customer satisfaction. Investing in scalable technology and robust IT infrastructure is non-negotiable. It enables your business to handle increased traffic, transactions, and data storage securely, with strengthened cybersecurity measures guarding against potential threats. In the world of supply chain management, reliability is key. Ensure your supply chain can handle increased demand and maintain efficient inventory management systems to avoid the pitfalls of stockouts or overstocking. Navigating legal and compliance landscapes is essential, especially when entering new markets. Ensuring your business operations align with local and international regulations is a critical step in sustained growth. Strategic partnerships can be a catalyst for growth. Explore collaborations with distributors, retailers, or complementary businesses that align with your vision and contribute to your business's upward trajectory. Data analytics is the compass guiding your scaling strategies. Embrace a data-driven approach to gain insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency, empowering informed decision-making. In the ever-evolving landscape, adaptability is your secret weapon. Stay flexible, open to adjustments in your business model based on the evolving market and the ever-changing needs of your customers. Remember, the key to successful upscaling is a dance between careful planning, strategic decision-making, and an unwavering commitment to the core values and quality that led to your startup's initial success.